Hi guys, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your message on WhatsApp. Now, to delete your message on WhatsApp, firstly open your WhatsApp application. Click on the particular message. To delete the message, long press on the particular text and click on dustbin option at the top right corner of the screen. Confirmation of deleting the message will pop up on the screen. You can either delete it for yourself or for both the participants. Click on one of the options and this is how you can delete your WhatsApp message quickly and easily just in few steps. How you can delete your group on your WhatsApp application. Now, to delete your group on your WhatsApp application, firstly open your WhatsApp application. Click on the group you want to delete. Now, click on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and tap on Group Info. It will display the group's information, settings, chat log, and members of the group. Scroll all the way down and click on Exit Group. It will pop up a message asking if you want to leave a group or not. Click on Exit. Now, all you need to do is tap on Delete Group and confirm deleting the group by clicking on Delete Group. This is how you can delete a group on your WhatsApp application quickly and easily just in few steps. How you can back up your chats on WhatsApp application. Now let's get back to the video. To back up your chats on WhatsApp, open your WhatsApp application. It will display the message or chat section as soon as you open your WhatsApp application. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and click on Settings option. Setting page of WhatsApp will appear on the screen. Now, click on Chats. On the bottom of the page, tap on Chat Backup. Now, on the next page, click on Backup option. This is how you can back up your chats on WhatsApp application. How you can enable end-to-end encryption on your WhatsApp application. Now, let's get back to the video. To enable your end-to-end encryption on your WhatsApp application, firstly open your WhatsApp on your device and click on three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Then tap on Settings option. Click on the Chats. Here you can choose your theme or chat wallpaper as well. Tap on Chat Backup. There you can see an option that says End-to-end encrypted backup. Click on it. Tap on Turn On. This is how you can enable your end-to-end encryption on your WhatsApp application easily and quickly just in few steps. How you can create your WhatsApp link quickly and easily just in few steps. Now, to create your WhatsApp link, firstly go to your Google search. Type in WhatsApp link for my number and make a search. It will display the search results. Click on the second link displayed on the screen that says Create WhatsApp Links. It will take you to the official page of whatsapp.link. Scroll all the way down and enter your phone number. You can also custom message if you want to. After entering your phone number, tap on Generate My WhatsApp Link. It will generate your WhatsApp link in no time. You can either copy or download your WhatsApp QR too. This is how you can create your WhatsApp link quickly and easily, just in few steps. How you can pin the message on your WhatsApp application. Now, let's get back to the video. In order to pin the message on your WhatsApp application, firstly open your WhatsApp application. The message section will appear on the screen. Choose the message you want to pin and long press on it. Click on the pin option at the top right corner of the screen. It will then pin your message in no time. This is how you can pin your message on WhatsApp application. How you can be offline on your WhatsApp. Now, to remain offline on WhatsApp, firstly open your WhatsApp application. Click on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and tap on the Settings option. Press on the Privacy option and then on Last Seen and Online option. Here you can choose who can see your last seen or when you are online. Now, to be offline on WhatsApp, click on Nobody and same as last seen option. This is how you can remain offline on WhatsApp quickly and easily just in few steps. How you can join your WhatsApp group through a link. Now, to join your WhatsApp group through a link, firstly open your WhatsApp application. The message section will appear on the screen. Click on the message you received. You can see the link on the message you opened to join the group. Click on the link. A message will pop up on the screen. Tap on Join Group and then on View Group option. You will then be added to the group. This is how you can join your WhatsApp group through link just in few steps.
From the app list, tap Open WeChat application. Sign into your account if you are not signed in yet first, and then as soon as you reach the home screen, tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and go to Settings. Under Settings, tap on General from the menu and at the bottom of the screen, tap on Manage Storage. In this page, you'll be able to see the free space that are available on your device and the spaces that has been used by WeChat and other applications as well. From the bottom of the menu, you can tap on Clear Cache. Since in my case, my cache has already been cleared, but if your cache needs clearing and you need to get rid of temporary data, then tap on Clear. And that is how you can clear WeChat data.
How you can deactivate your WhatsApp application. Now, to deactivate your WhatsApp application, firstly open your WhatsApp. The message section will appear on the screen. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and click on Settings option. Click on the Accounts. It will take you to your account setting page of WhatsApp application. Tap on Delete My Account. To deactivate your account, enter your country and your phone number, then tap on Delete My Account. On the next page, select a reason for deleting your account. Now, select a reason that says deleting your account temporarily and tap on Delete My Account. Your account will be deactivated in no time. This is how you can deactivate your WhatsApp application or WhatsApp account quickly and easily just in few steps. You can sign out from your WhatsApp application. Now, to log out from your WhatsApp application, go to the settings, scroll all the way down and click on App Management option. Scroll down to the WhatsApp application and tap on it. Press on Storage Users. Here, you can see the total storage of the application with the data and cache memory used in WhatsApp. Now, all you need to do is clear your data as well as your cache memory. After clearing all of your data and cache memory, you will automatically be logged out of your WhatsApp application. This is how you can log out from your WhatsApp application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.